How to fix Spotify? Something went wrong. Try reloading the page on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone or your device. Then you will go directly to apps or application. Then when you will open it, just search for Spotify, and when you found it, guys, just open it like what I am doing right now. Then go to storage option, click on storage option, click that clear data, click OK, and go back and click force stop and click OK. And then what you should do, go to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.